Did you know the average professional drowns in 121 emails daily? Here are 3 ways to step up your communication at work. Effective communication isn't just a skill, it's a superpower that connects and builds strong relationships, influencing decisions and achieving your goals. Know when to be formal and when to keep it casual. When you're in a meeting or sending an email, stick to the point and respect boundaries. Know the time and place for everything. Your choice of words and tone matters in every given conversation, whether casual or professional. Clear and concise communication never goes out of style. A report shows the average professional gets 121 emails a day. You've got seconds to make yours count. Clear and concise communication ensures that the message is understood without any confusion or misinterpretation. End the conversation with clear action like, "Please confirm you understand," or "Let me know by Friday." Guide the conversation, don't leave them guessing. But communication doesn't stop with what you say or write. It's about what you hear too. That's where active listening comes in. Active listening isn't just polite, it's powerful. It shows respect, builds trust, and makes sure you fully understand before you respond. It starts by listening with your whole focus. Nod, maintain eye contact to show you're present in the conversation. Ready to start communicating effectively? Like, share, and comment for more insights like this.